Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will tell you how to make followers and following private on X. So unfortunately, X does not have a setting to directly hide your followers and following lists while keeping your account public, and the only official way to make your followers and following lists private is by making your entire account private. But still, your followers, your approved followers, will see your followers and following lists. And all new follow requests must be manually approved by you if you have your account private. And here are steps to make your account private, and so that non-follower people do not see your follower and following lists. So let's go to profile picture in the top left corner of the screen, and then you have to scroll down to settings and privacy. Now find here section that's called privacy and safety, and now go to audience and tagging, and at the very top of the screen you should see this option, protect your posts, and that's basically your account, privacy of your account. So you have to enable this option, and this way your account from this moment will be private, and when someone new tries to follow you, you have to manually approve or deny following request from the new person. You have special tab dedicated to this following approvals, let's say it like this, and you can find it if you tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, and here find section that's called follower request, and here you will see all of them. From here you can accept it or decline it. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.